If you are already a 24Genetics partner, in this video we explain how to place your orders. You will have received confirmation of your credit voucher in the welcome email if you have chosen this option. This coupon has no expiration date, and you could use it when placing your orders until you consume your initial investment. Enter the menu on our website and access through the Partner Access button with the user and password you already have. You will get to the Partner Shop, where you will find two products, Kitbox and 24Genetics Partner Program tests. Since you may not be able to anticipate the specific test a customer will buy, we recommend that you order a pack of 10 or 15 kits in the kit boxes section to have the stock you need and deliver kits to your customers when they decide to buy. These kits are the actual 24Genetic physical product and are designed to collect the DNA sample. When you order these kits at €35 a piece, you are actually only insuring stock to deliver on time. We will discount the €35 per kit purchase from the price of the test in the next step of the process. You will receive the kits free of delivery charge within 24 to 72 hours. When the customers purchase the service and specify which reports they want to get, give them the kit and place a new order using your credit voucher, or if you didn't choose this option, with the payment method you prefer. In this order, you will purchase the number of tests requested by the customer. Indicate in the comments section which specific tests they are. For example, purchase of 2 genetic tests, nutrigenetics and skincare. In this order, we will apply the €35 discount for every kit box purchased. Please keep the number of this order and give it to your customer to correctly fill in the form of his kit. You should also provide them with the billing instructions for the correct collection of the sample. When your customers have taken the sample, they or you must register the kit on our website, including the order number. Then, send back to us the tube with the saliva and the signed form inside the corresponding bag included in the kit box. Regarding how to send your saliva sample, you have two options. We pick it up at your address. Pickup is free for 5 or more samples. For less than 5, the cost is €25 per shipment. Or you can send it to us via postal delivery. You can choose the postal option and send it to our address. In any case, you will receive instructions for the option you choose. When we receive the sample in our offices, we will send a confirmation email. The reports will be sent also by email, in PDF format within a period of 3 to 6 weeks. Both status notifications and the reports will be sent to the email address provided on the signed form. And remember, we are always available to answer any questions at partners@24genetics.com.